We have GPS and we have lilies. What they have to do with each other. In the beginning of this year, we had a contest, and the contest was called The Wizard. And in that contest, we hit a complete GPS system somewhere in the world. And we never announced the winner. Till now, because here is the winner. It's Ariën Langendijk. And he found the wizard by searching and following all our hints. Let's see how he found it and how he uses the complete GPS kit with Apglos Survey Wizard.
Okay, welcome. First of all, congratulations by finding the wizard.
Yes, thank you.
It was quite a journey. We talked a little bit about it before, so yeah, please explain a little bit. How did you find the wizard?
Yeah, it was challenging for me because I'm not a professional GPS user.
No.
But very interested. And as I mentioned, I was looking for a program to replace the system that we currently use.
Yeah.
And around that time, also your video came out where you announced the wizard. So
Yes. Yeah.
that's why I wanted to join and take part in the wizard.
Yeah, I was very surprised when I received your picture at 11:30 at night. I found the wizard, so yeah, today we are in our beautiful castle in the city of Dussen. Again, thank you very much that you came, and yeah, well, for your company, you told us just before that you're not a land surveyor,
No.
and still you're searching for a GPS system,
Yeah.
which is quite rare because in the Netherlands or whatever, you know, normally real land surveyors are using this, and actually we have a company that is focusing on the non-surveyor. And actually somebody found the wizard as a non-surveyor.
Yeah.
So normally in your daily job, why do you use the GPS?
I'm working in agriculture, and we need to measure fields of flower bulbs because in my job we collect royalties for lily varieties. Therefore, we have to know the distances or surfaces.
Yeah.
And it's very handy to have a precise system
Yeah.
that measures correctly and is easy to use.
So you have like lily fields at different farmers where you actually go there and measure in, and these data, what are you using that for? Is it like maybe you can explain to me, because I know lilies, of course,
Yeah.
but I don't know why you have to measure that fields.
I'll explain a little.
Yeah.
I work for a company that we are the biggest marketplace for flower bulbs in the world, in Holland, for the professional business-to-business users. Our customers are flower bulb producers, and the flower bulbs they produce, they are mostly plant patented. That means they have to pay an annual fee for the acreage they grow.
Okay.
So it's my job to provide licensing contracts and to do the yearly measurements of the fields and collect the royalties.
Okay. So they have to actually pay you, and how do you do that? You just measure everything, so you can measure accurate. So
Yeah.
for them it's a benefit, right? It's a win-win situation. Actually, it's more accurate, and then also the
Yeah,
benefits.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there are no questions.
No questions.
No. In the past, I used measuring tapes of
Oh my God.
30 meters, and sometimes you had a discussion with a farmer. He said it's like 270 meters, and I measured 300. So
Okay.
then they probably forgot to add one section of tape.
Okay.
So-
Very interesting.
Yeah, so it's a yearly job, every year we have to do it.
Yeah.
The customer that I work for, roughly 30% of all lilies produced in the world originate from the breeding company here in Holland.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How much? What kind of amount of lilies are we talking about? Millions or
Well, I don't know. Yeah, in billions probably.
billions? Oh, really?
But in acreages, it's, I think worldwide there are probably 6,000 hectares of lilies.
It's mostly for exports.
Yeah,
These
it's mostly for export. So most are produced in Holland,
Yeah.
but also in France, Australia, New Zealand.
Okay.
So each year I go to, and Chile, because it's on the same latitude as Holland.
Oh, really? Okay.
But then in the southern hemisphere, so they produce in winter time, when it's summer in Holland.
Yeah.
So you have 2 seasons. But it also means that I have to go to Chile each year to
Oh, wow.
check on the lily fields.
So actually, this with the COVID situation, it's a little bit difficult to travel. So maybe next year.
Yeah.
So you can take the GPS system, the Amlet and the Apglos Survey Wizard with you. I think that's a beautiful case. Definitely, you have to send us some pictures so
Oh yeah.
we can enjoy that. We can also make another YouTube filming about how to measure lily fields in Chile.
Yeah.
Which I never knew. I thought it just was here in Holland. And
Oh no, it's even when I mentioned Australia or Tasmania.
oh really? You also have to go to Australia.
Yeah.
Have you? Oh,
Yeah.
better commercial part we cannot do
Yeah.
besides this movie, of course, but this video.
Yeah. So yeah, that's my job.
Okay. Travel a lot.
Well, in March it's usually to the southern hemisphere,
Yeah.
and around this time, summertime, we're in Holland checking fields, and next week I go to France.
Okay. Well, again, with the Apglos Survey Wizard, we have all these predefined coordinate systems. You just have to select where you are, and that's what we talked about the explanation how this Survey Wizard works. Just predefined, get an RTK and then you can start.
Yeah.
Surveying.
Yeah, it's
Really, really interesting.
easy to use.
Yeah.
And it has all the things I need.
Yeah.
So
Wow,
very happy.
as a non-surveyor using this, I'm
Yeah.
that's the public we actually want. So, well, thank you again, and congratulations on finding the wizards. In the middle of the night, go to the dune somewhere, dig a hole, and find it. We'll definitely post your beautiful picture you have sent, and well, again, thanks for coming, and enjoy using this survey wizard. Then.
If you like this video, then for sure you will like this video. Please check it out.